days have been getting harder, falling apart. It seems like love isn't getting.
Assalamualaikum, welcome to Liagraphics. I am Leah, and in this video I am going to show you about free Android app through which you can make your intro videos for your YouTube videos or any other video. Simply you have to download the PixelFlow free app. This is an Android app and you can easily download it on your Android phone. And in this I am going to show you how you can create your own intro videos without watermark. No money, no watermark. So let's start the video. Open your Play Store and write PixelFlow app. So here it is, PixelFlow intro maker and video maker. So let's just see the pictures, amazing pictures, and you can create your own background with this app. And I know there will be a watermark after you make a video, but in this video I will show you how you can remove that watermark. So just stay tuned and watch the full video. So stay connected. I will show you how you can create your own intro videos without watermark. So just open the PixelFlow app, and here you can see the greeting intros, minimal intros, cooking intros, fashion intros. There are many intros, and I don't like this green one intro. So just open the minimal intro videos, and the videos with the lock icon are locked for this variant because this is a free variant of this app, PixelFlow app free variant. And the lock videos are available for pro variant. I mean, you have to pay money for unlocking these videos, and you can use the free videos like the one with the star icon videos are free. So you can use these videos. The one with the star icon videos are free, you can use them, and I'm just showing you how they look like. The one with the blue one, it is very good video, and I especially like this one intro. So just open this and use this. You can play around the things and you will understand how to do it. You can change the name, like I have written Liagraphics, and you can also use a tagline for your video, for your intro. Like I have written welcome to my channel. So you can also add tagline as you want. If you want to hide this tagline, you can also hide it by clicking onto this arrow option and I option. You can hide it and you can show it as you wish. And then you can also change the color of tagline. You can also change the color of the text you have written, like Liagraphics text color can also be changed, and size can also be increased or decreased according to your wish. And you can also scale your position, like in x-axis direction, like left right position you can change. And by clicking on Y position, Y scaling, you can change the position of top and bottom position. You can also change that. And if you want to download it, then you have to download it into a full quality, high quality video like 1080p. So I have downloaded it in 1080p, and this is just downloading. And I know it takes some time to download the video, but you have to wait for the video to download. And now it is just downloading, and now it is finished. And I know there are many ads in this app, but just ignore them. Open video with your photos, and here you will see a watermark onto the bottom right side of the video. You will see a watermark of this app, and now I am going to show you how you can remove the watermark. Just go back to your home page. Now just go back to your home page and open Play Store, and here you have to write Smart Video Crop, and you have to download this app. This is a very good app for cropping the video. Just open it, and I have already downloaded it, so I am going to choose my video. I will select all video, and then I am going to select landscape, and then adjust your video according to like if you have watermark, then make sure you have cropped that watermark. So I'm just showing you how I'm doing it. You can also do the same thing, and in this way your watermark will be cropped. Once you have adjusted your video, then select next and choose the quality as high quality and MP4 video, and then click save. And you can also rename the video name, like I am renaming it like intro 2, and just save it. And it is downloading and it will appear in your gallery. And now download complete, and now go to your gallery and here you will see that we have easily cropped that watermark. So just see there is no watermark appearing on this screen. You can zoom it and see there is no watermark left on this video. And I'm going to show you the original video. This is the original video where watermark was appearing. You can see that. And before recording this video, I had made another intro, and in this video you are also watching that a watermark is here, and then I have used the same app for cropping, and in this video you are watching that no watermark is here. So in this way you can easily remove your watermark from your videos, from your intro videos, from any other videos. So this is just a smart and easy trick. If you want to use it, then use it. So here I have shown you the watermark removed intro videos. I was thinking that on the phone screen recording that are not showing clearly, so I have just added the videos with the watermark removed so that you guys can clearly see these videos. And if you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.
These days have been getting harder, falling apart. It seems like love isn't getting